guys, and as you can see it's pretty windy and rainy outside. So today we're just gonna drive all the way up to Frederikshavn, or at least we're gonna try that. If the weather clears up, we're gonna do some sightseeing, and otherwise, well, this vlog will probably not be uploaded, or as a very short one. So we'll see. Well, join us for today's episode of Behind Closed Doors.
I'll try so hard to fade away. I'll try so hard to fade away.
Okay, now along the road we actually saw this flea market, and well, we love flea markets, so let's go in.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee, oh. But there's something holding on in the way of being long gone.
Pretty cool. The only thing, everything was in Danish. But it's still fun to see. And it's not so different from the flea markets we have at home. A lot of old stuff. So, continue our journey. First stop, Anouk, I believe supermarket, right?
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna go to supermarket.
Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee, oh. But there's something holding on in the way of being long gone. There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape.
Standing in line for the ferry. So we're now actually, let me show you on the map. Here. So we're gonna take the ferry and then we're gonna go through a beautiful area. And well, let's see if we end up somewhere where we can spend the night. Overall, the weather is a lot nicer, no more rain, but still a lot of wind. So that's gonna be fun on the ferry.
Time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up, time to wake up.
Now this feels like playing Tetris with cars. Look at this, I can't even open the door anymore. So luckily we have two doors, because I do want to get out very quickly for a picture. Wow. Look at how tight this is. Unbelievable. Deep respect for the guys who actually know how to pack this kind of stuff in.
I start to wonder now if this road is right, is right. train. You looked at me and said, it'll be okay, okay. Now when the hardest part is over, don't bring me down, bring me down. Now when the
Okay, we decided to stop around 4 o'clock and we now arrived at the campground. Beautiful area. And Anouike is standing next to me with the map. So I'm following her now and we're gonna go to our spot. Camp spot. Got the bike out, ready to ride. Got my shoes on. Rain again. So, well, now gonna edit the vlog for you guys. So we do have a vlog today because, well, we did some things that were nice. Anyway, if you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, leave comments below and smash that like button because we really like that. Tomorrow we're gonna drive to Frederikshavn and who knows, maybe you see another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. See you again guys, thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.